Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's your girl BlasianBeauty, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see from the title, y'all like my makeup? Ooh, my legs coming off a little bit, but y'all like my makeup? Let me see. Y'all like my makeup? I've been trying. Should I try some new products? But we're not here to, talk about my makeup. Let's talk about our new products today that I have. If y'all see this look, y'all probably not gonna see it, but y'all see this. This is my little harmonica. They trying to beat the V. They trying to see what really going on with me. Ain't nothing really wrong. Y'all like my shirt? Let's bitter more glitter. I got it from Dirt Cheap, $5. But my mind getting off track. Let's talk about the product. So I am here to do an unboxing for the James Charles eye brushes. I've seen people doing the big boxes, but I never seen first. Well, I seen they did the eye brushes. This is the box. Now, I don't remember how long. I think it took about a week to come to me, and it's just plain white. And here you go, James makeup on beat in the mud. It's so cute. Gonna open it up. I'm trying to get into makeup a little more, y'all can see. I've been trying to do my makeup, and this is a little container. And when I open this, I open myself like this so little because I'm so used to seeing the big container with all the other brushes in there. And this is how it looks. It says Morphe X James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist. And this is how it looks. It actually look like the normal Morphe brushes, and they got like the little tabs right here. And so voila, magic. And just pop open. I'm just going to show you all the brushes and stuff that they have in here. The reason why I got these brushes actually is because I don't know how to do makeup that well. I feel like, all right, it's eyeshadow, and I kind of cut my tail off on my eyebrow. Y'all don't judge. But the reason why I got this set, I could have got the regular set, but I just wanted the James Charles set. The reason why I purchased this is because I needed brushes to tell me what stuff was actually for. I feel like with eyeshadow, that's my problem. I don't know what brushes are for or what look. So I feel like, dang, that's why they don't come out as I want them to come out. And they have, this is a 13-piece set. So here go 13 brushes, and we're gonna go through all of them. So they're actually packaged into 3 sessions. It's cool, I guess. The first brush I have is the medium chisel fluffy brush. And I don't know what these brushes for, y'all. I'm just gonna look up looks and try to see, kind of coordinate. I don't know. I'm gonna just try to go from looks that I see and kind of get a feel to it, and then, see. So this is how the brush look. And on the bottom of them, they have like the number. This is 3152, and this is how it looks. So on the websites, on the Morphe website, and also website, in the description, they have like what it's for. So I'm gonna take all these brushes out the package as well, so I can just go on the website and see what they're for. Okay, the next brush I picked up is this firm shadow brush, and this is how it looks. It's like a flat brush to me. I guess you like pat them down. I don't know, but this number is M124. Let's take it out the package. Okay, the next brush I have is the medium firm blending brush. This number is M456, and this is how it looks. It's kind of thicker, more lighter, I guess. It look real like a light hand. Just need a light hand. I'm just saying what I think, because I don't know. I'm telling you, I don't know. This is how the brush look. Ooh, don't mind my hand. There's glue on it. But this is how it looks. Okay, this brush is the mini taper blending brush. The number is M506. And this is how the brush looks. The next brush is an angled nose contouring brush. And I really do need this. I contoured. I feel like I did pretty good on my nose. But I didn't even know this brush came here. I thought it was just eyeshadow brushes. So I'm very, very grateful for this brush. The number is E62, and I was going to actually buy like a nose contouring brush because I bought me a foundation brush. And I actually like it. Because I usually use my my beauty blender, and I feel like my makeup is more blended better. And this is how it looks. I can see where When you get your nails done. But I had these nails on for like the whole quarantine, so I ain't none of them broke yet. Knock on wood. And it's just like a little nub. Okay, the last brush in this section is the detail liner brush, and it is M250-0. I guess for like creative eyeliner looks. And this is how it looks. I want to can y'all see. Like that. Just look like a normal liner brush, but I'm grateful for it. I have a couple of these brushes in my case. If you guys want to see like a makeup case, what is it like? Just look at my makeup. I can do that for you guys. I'll be getting makeup like almost every couple days since the quarantine. Okay, the next little section. In this pack, I have 3 brushes. And what kind of brushes? These are blending brushes, I guess. This is the Pro Firm Blending Fluff brush in M433. Let's check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So this is how it looks. It looks a little flat to me. So the next brush we have M441 Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush. Now I know what that is, y'all. Two brushes I know. 3 actually. That I know real good. And what they do. Let's go right here. This is how it look real fluffy. So my next brush is M166 Oval Shadow Brush. I don't know what that's for. This handle kind of thick. It's like a little flat brush. An oval flat brush. It's cute. So, y'all, last but not least, this pack right here. So the first brush I have is Angle Line and Spoolie Brush M158. I know what this brush for. Eyebrows, sis, eyebrows. I have like a couple of these too, I think. Oh, if I can open it. Y'all know how angle spoolie brush look, even if you don't wear makeup. My next brush I have is a flat contouring brush, M4110 contouring. Is this for your face? Because if so, I'll probably be using this for something else. Because I just used that too. I use a Julia's Place contour now. I really like it. Contour. Is it contour? Or that? I think it's highlight. I don't know. But I'm going to have to look it up. But already, M410. Yeah, I told y'all. But just how it looks flat. Our last but not least brush. And this is the brush. It is a oval camouflage brush. And it's a M224 brush. I don't know what they do either, but you know, like I said, I'm figure it out hopefully. So this is how it looks, and y'all, that's it for all I have for it's the brushes. If you guys would like to see like me doing my first time doing makeup with these brushes, just give this video a like as well. I want to thank you guys so patiently for waiting for a video come out. I know it's been like what, 4 or 5 months. Sorry, my bad. Cosmetology school, being my tail, and coronavirus is getting real. So I've been stressed about that because but thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.